Today I'm gonna talk about e-commerce view item list event and we'll show you how you can configure that event on Google Tag Manager and send it to your Google Analytics dashboard. View item list event actually a standard e-commerce event for Google Analytics. This is important if you want to scale up your business on paid ads. With this event, you can identify how many people are interested to see your product from your all of the website visitors. This event actually fire when someone interested to see your all the collections and product list. And this event is pretty crucial than the page view event because this is the more likely people are interested to see your all product. And if you are watching this video for first time, I recommend you to visit my YouTube channel and see all the video in this particular playlist. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And if you need a consultant to help you to set up your conversion tracking, definitely contact with me because I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork and right now I am doing personal consultancy. No more talks, let's see how you can set up it by yourself first. This is my Google Tag Manager container. First of all, I just want to open on the preview and connect my website to Google Tag Manager. And here you can see my website is connected to Google Tag Manager preview mode. And here it is. And what actually the page view item list event. So view item list means people are interested to see all the product like this. In my website, I already have the 5 product. So for your case, you could have more product. And this particular event is important because this was my home page. And if someone closed this page, that is not important for me. But if someone go to catalog page and watch this product all, that means they are pretty buyer and we can easily push them to sell our product. Okay, so that's why this event is important. Okay, so if I go back the tag assistant, you can see this view item list event is fired. So it's fired when I clicked on that button. Okay, let's click check again. You can see there is no page view item list event. If I go back and go to the catalog, and here you can see this is the view item list event. And with the data layer, all the product is 5 product. Okay, so we start from 0 and this one is 4. So all the product are listing here and this all the product information are available on this data layer. Okay, so we just want to track how many people are interested to see my product, like from almost of the visitors, because all the visitors are not interested to see your product. Okay, so we can run a campaign when someone visit this page. Okay, so just we want to send this view item list event to our Google Analytics. Okay, so first of all, just copy this view item list event, go to Google Tag Manager and open new and go to Google Analytics and Google Analytics event and measurement ID. We have made a measurement ID on our previous, but this is the event and trigger. Of course, we need to input the custom event and this event list, and we can put a name GA4 view item list event. Okay, like this, and save it. And of course, we need to put the measurement ID here. Where you will find your measurement ID, just visit your Google Tag Analytics dashboard and then go to admin and then go to data collections, data streams, and this one is the measurement ID, and go back to Google Tag Manager and paste here. We need this code again and again. That's why we can do one thing. We can make a variable, a constant variable. just make a constant variable and paste the value and save it. Okay, so you can see we can now remove it and we can add this from here. It's very cool. And we can add the event parameter. For this event, I think if you send only this event parameter, that's enough for you, which is view item list. Okay, so for that I have a very organized Notion template where I have inputted everything, like where you can start, how to enable data layer, how to import Google GTM. So this is actually 100% GTM container. So if you want to see that, you will watch this product. Okay, so if you visit nasimofficial.store, you will find this product GA4 e-commerce. Okay, so inside of this product you will get that Notion link, and this is very useful and you can resell it and you can learn everything, and this is 100% done for you template, so you don't need to do manually if you want to save your time. Okay, I already made that template and you can make your all the e-commerce event in one click. So you can try this one, and as a bonus I have inputted the cover photo, and you can edit and rebrand it easily and you can resell it. Okay, so if you want you can try that. So but this Notion template is important. So you can see this is the view item list event. I just want to pick this one. Okay, this is item. Yeah, and make sure if you use the event parameter you have to verify with this tick mark. Okay, go to make the data layer variables, and data layer variables, input that code. So where you will get it, you will get it on Notion template. When you purchase that product you will get that. Okay, go to data layer variables and we can make this name like whatever name you can select. So items. Okay, so we have done, and save it. G4 event, so view item list. Okay, just save it. So we have done. Now if we go to preview again and go open your website and go to catalog, and you can see this view item list event is fired, and we are able to see this event to our real-time report. Okay, so real-time overview, and here you can see the view item list event on there. Okay, so that means is working fine, and when you have done you can publish this and submit and publish this version like this, and this one will start working from now. Okay, so you are good to go. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribe to this channel. My name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.